Prime Minister likely to speak on coal block issue in the Rajya Sabha today. Parliament disrupted on the issue of coal block missing files and Telangana. Opposition insists on Prime Minister's statement. Government moves motion to suspend 7 Congress and 4 TDP MPs opposing Telangana state.
Fate of food security bill remains uncertain due to continuous disruption in the parliament. Bill does not come up for discussion in Lok Sabha. Government contemplating extending the current session till 5th of September. One TDP MP resigns from Rajya Sabha seeking a united Andhra.
Cabinet approves draft to amend Representation of People's Act to allow convicted MPs and MLAs to retain their membership pending decision on their appeal. Also approves the bill to constitute a Judicial Appointments Commission for appointment of judges of the Supreme Court and High Courts.
As rupee touches a new low of 64.55 against the dollar, Finance Minister P. Chidambaram asserts that there is no cause for undue panic. Also assures investors that government does not intend to impose capital control measures.
Pakistan breaches ceasefire 5 times in Poonch sector, 2 women injured. The Pakistani National Assembly unanimously adopts a resolution against ceasefire violations, also summons High Commissioner TCA Raghavan to protest the latest ceasefire.
Defence Minister A.K. Antony says sabotage angle is not ruled out behind the explosion on the naval submarine INS Sindhu Rakshak. Giving clarifications in the Rajya Sabha, he says that the Navy has ordered an inquiry which has started its work to know the cause of the accident.
Former Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak released from prison. Mubarak to be kept under house arrest in a military hospital pending his trial, while Egypt is currently under a state of emergency amid the bloodshed.
UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon urges the Syrian government to allow a UN team to swiftly investigate an alleged chemical weapons attack. US unable to determine Syria's chemical weapons use, while Russia says it is a conspiracy against the Syrian government.
Disgraced Chinese politician Bo Xilai fights back in court. Bo says he was coerced into making a confession and rubbishes testimony from witnesses who included his wife. Bo's elder son thanks China for allowing father to speak freely.
In sports, ace shooter Ranjan Sodhi to take Khel Ratna Award. Sodhi is the 7th shooter to get this honour. Cricketer Virat Kohli and young badminton star PV Sindhu among 15 players nominated for Arjuna Award. 5 coaches will be awarded with Dronacharya Award.